Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from MongoDB Atlas to Atlas Vector Search step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Navigate to your Atlas project where your MongoDB cluster resides. Open the Collections tab in your cluster dashboard. Select the database that contains the data you wish to transfer. Identify the collection you want to export. Click on the Export Collection button. Choose the export format as needed, typically JSON or CSV. Download the exported file to your local machine. Next, log into your Atlas Vector Search dashboard. Create a new vector search index by clicking on the Create Index button. Define the index name and select the appropriate settings based on your data type. Now, open the vector search index configuration. Locate the option to import data from an external source. Select the exported file you downloaded earlier. Map the fields from your data to the corresponding fields in the vector search index. Review the configuration to ensure all settings are correct. Click on the Import Data button to begin the transfer. Monitor the progress of the import process. Once the import is completed, verify that the data appears correctly in your vector search index. Finally, test the vector search functionality to confirm everything is working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.